Most people think discipline is about control, about pushing yourself harder. But actually, it's about something much deeper: self respect. When you think of discipline, what's the first image that comes to mind? Someone waking up at 5 a.m., working out every day. That's not discipline, my brother. That's the result of discipline. Real discipline starts with respecting your own words. If you say, I'll do this, and you do it, that's power. Because every time you follow through, you are teaching your mind, I can trust myself. Most people think they lack motivation, but what they actually lack is self trust. You have broken your own promises so many times that your brain doesn't believe you anymore. That's why starting again feels heavy, not because you are lazy, but because you don't trust yourself to finish. Think about it. If a friend kept canceling plans on you, would you rely on them? Of course not. Then why do you expect your mind to rely on you when you keep canceling on yourself? Discipline is how you rebuild that trust. It's how you say my words mean something. When you wake up early, when you show up, when you do things even when it's uncomfortable, you are not controlling yourself. You are respecting yourself. And slowly that respect compounds into confidence. You start believing in your own potential again. That's why the most confident people aren't loud, they are consistent. They have earned self respect through actions. So the next time you feel unmotivated, don't ask, how do I get inspired? Ask, what promise did I break to myself and how do I fix it today? That's real discipline, not control, not punishment. Just respect in motion. Just understand what I'm saying, what I want to explain you. Now, if you like that, hit that like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.